Guys, in this video, I will show you how we spam comment using MKT TikPro to spam comment on TikTok. Okay, first, after you have added account and proceed, we choose setting functions. We will have like a setting profile, mean we will comment on video of any profile that you want. Okay, for example, we could take the TikTok ID here after this. So we will paste to the account list. We could enter many user here. Each user line, for example, this one. Okay, and some other here. Okay, any user that you want to spam comment on their video, with the configuration, first the number of a thread running simultaneously means the number of TikTok account running at the same time. You could set it to 10 if your PC is strong enough, or if your PC is not strong, you could set it from like 2 or 3 threads. My PC could run 10 threads at one time, so I set it to 10 threads. Each account sitting into how many profile mean you want each account will comment on how many user here in the list that you import. For example, I want to comment on all 3 users, so I set it to 3. Um, with each profile sitting maximum, how many video you want each account will comment how many video of each user. You could set here, for example, our software will set from 1 to 3 video, and you could set the time you watch video from 5 to 10 seconds. And we could like or repost video or follow the account or comment. And we tick on comment and press enter comment content here. One comment per line, for example. Beautiful, lovely, love it. Then we click on file and save, or you could press Ctrl S to save the content and close this. After that, you could select the account category and press load, and then we start to begin running this functions like this. Okay, with the account list that you import, uh, if you don't want to collect it manually, you could use data scanning, and we could scan account by keyword. This allows us to scan all the user that relevant to any keyword. For example, I want to scan the user in the field relevant to makeup. We could use makeup or makeup tutorial. Okay, so we could choose you could set like each keyword scan maximum how many accounts. For example, I want to scan 15 to 20 account, and then we select the account category. We press load and then choose the account and press start to begin scanning the user by keyword makeup. Okay, you could see it like the TikTok ID will be shown here, right? We don't need to collect it manually. All you should do is choose all the link and do the right click, copy TikTok ID, and back to setting functions, and you paste the TikTok ID here like that. Okay. After the setting with profile, we could use a setting video functions. All the thing that you should do is we take the the video link here. Remember to take this before this, okay? And we press it. You could like paste many video link here. For example, this. Okay, and set the number of a thread. It's the same like setting profile. And we click on comment and we enter comment content here. It content a line, for example, beautiful, like that. Okay, and after we setting the configurations, we could select the account category, load, and press start to begin running the functions. Okay, next is setting live stream, mean you will let your account setting to like auto comment on any live stream on TikTok. We should take the live stream link. For example, I will comment on this link. Okay, we copy the TikTok link here and we enter here. You could enter many live link here. Okay, and click on comments. Watch live stream. You could set it from 130 to 300 seconds is okay. We comment. You enter the comment content here. Each content alive, for example, like that. And you could like set how many times that you want each account will comment on that live stream. For example, I set it each account will comment 5 times on this live stream, and each time stop like 15 seconds. And next, we choose the account category and load and press start to running the configuration. Okay, and another function that you could use to spam comment is in viral marketing, and we could comment by keyword. Mean it will auto comment on any video that relevant to the keyword that you put to the software. For example, I want my account will auto comment on the video that are relevant to the keyword makeup. We could enter the keyword here, makeup tutorial or something, and set the configuration. And we enter the comment here, each comment line, amazing. Good. Okay, we Control S. And then we select the account category and load and press start to running the configuration. Okay, that's so easy, right? Tell me if you met any difficulties when using the software. I will assist you later. See you in our next video. Good